Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy women crochet short gloves designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts for stylish ladies. You can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women crochet short gloves designs. Every design is different, beautiful and trendy one another. Easy pattern, knitted patterns, easy to make, easy to wash, beautiful and stylish crochet gloves designs, short gloves designs, stylish color combination contrasts you can see. You can wear these very beautiful gloves when you go in the birthday party, wedding party with matching dress designs, matching dress colors. If you want to buy this very beautiful gloves design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful gloves online, these websites easily in very reasonable price. Stylish and beautiful color combination contrasts you can see. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet, about women fashion, about baby fashion, about home accessories you can see also. Beautiful and trendy designing ideas. You can easily make these very beautiful gloves if you know crochet work. Give the feedback in the hammer section about my collection. How was the video? How was the design of beautiful and trendy women crochet gloves designs, short gloves design? So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.